safari means, by the way?
Yes.
You do? Well, I'll bet you do. So safari is the Swahili word. It means the journey. So we're going to go into it.
Look.
These are bloodless flamingos. They're from Africa and Europe. Well, lying in the heat back there are our warthogs.
It's called warthogs.
That is a warthog. Those are the pigs of the grasslands of sub-Saharan Africa.
It's right. Look, a Canadian goose right there.
Oh my goodness. Antelope from East Africa, and they are antelope that uses their horns for protection.
Look at.
Now look at how beautiful, long and lean this Dama gazelle is.
Also, now there is a Canadian goose.
Oh, I knew that was going to be fun. Oh, right. That is young Grace. That's our youngest giraffe. She is 9 months old now. Giraffe, their superpower is sort of all about being tall. They can feed higher than anybody else. So this is a young male walking. As he's walking, his tongue comes out of his mouth. That's a camera, a game camera that's tied to the fence there.
Are you gonna keep that part in the movie?
Pull that
What
ostrich,
if I give you a
Kobe?
boy ostrich?
We used to have a boy here, and we used to have ostrich babies here from time to time.
Look at all that poop.
Yeah.
That is a big pile of dung there.
And there's also poop.
That's what we call poop. We call it dung. He is a southern white rhino. This is a very large animal. He weighs in at close to 6,000 pounds. Here's our mama, and here's the surprise. We've got a baby rhino. So that little guy was born on April 2nd. He is 4 months old now. He's been wallowing, as you see. Again, wallowing is very important for animals to stay cool. We're always just kind of careful because
Hey, that's one of my favorite kinds of snakes.
so they would only bite us if we stepped on them or otherwise made them feel as if they were going to be harmed.
And they don't want to kill us.
They sure don't. So this is Lake Watusi.
Look at those horns.
This is our herd of Watusi. They might come over and lick the side of the truck. So you see what I mean about animals coming up and saying hi? Tip to tip.
Big wasp, big wasp.
Look at that one.
Big wasp. Come on, Watusi. Big wasp, big wasp.
Oh, yeah.
Big wasp. Yellow jacket coming around.
Whoop.
No, 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 no. Film a yellow jacket. You can't film a yellow jacket.
I saw him buzzing your face.
You filmed it?
Yep, I did. Pretty good,
Look,
huh?
look, look. Film one. Look, look.
Yeah. Show me.
Don't move. Film it. Did you see one just?
Look at this one right here.
Did you film one just land on me? Did you film the one just land
Oh,
on me?
very affectionate.
Did you film the one land on me?
I did. Look at it. Obviously, I got him.
I'm gonna watch the video.
You will.
Hold on up there. Leave the umbrella out there. You can go down there. One more person come down, and then we will send. This is an Aoudad skull. I can slide the keratin sleeve off of it. This is what protects the bone from damage. So hopefully we'll see some Aoudads later. They are wild sheep from northern Africa. He can be released and
Put your ground on it.
Yellow jacket.
Stop it. Ow, ow! Stop it. Yeah.
You got a lot of.
No, they're yellow jackets.
Yeah.
And they're singing.
Your sandwich.
Yeah. You know, it's probably
Tasting your lip. How's your lip?
What just landed on your lip? Did you film me getting stung?
Yep. Did you really get stung?
Yeah. Well, I got bit. Did you film me getting bit?
Yeah.
Right on the lip.
Right on the lip.
So these are the seeds that are born before it.
Filming a video. We have a whole channel on YouTube.
They say that the wildebeest was created at the very end of creation, using up the spare parts left over. So they put together the tail of a lion, the stripes of a zebra, the hump of a hyena, the horns of a bull, the beard of a goat, and the face of a mountain. And that's the wildebeest.
Hey, look at that one. That's a baby.
Yeah, right
Baby,
at the base
baby.
of the tree, one tree over to the left.
Do you get it?
Yeah. I see it.
My yellow jacket bike got battered.
Oh, good.
Oh, there's the new one. That's the baby. That one's 1 week old.
Zoom.
The real mom showed up to do the job. More white on their wing feathers. It's the third largest tortoise species in the world. They can live over 100 years.
What do you see there?
Canadians, film those.
Yep.
Film those.
Okay.
Film those.
There they are.
Now film those. Now film those. Film those. Those.
Yeah. You like the pink flamingos?
Pink flamingos don't have to be pink.
They don't?
They can be white with pink on them. See, some of them are white.
Yeah. And there.
Wild chickens. Wild chickens.
Oh yeah, wild chickens in there.
I love your ostrich. I love the pie. So we've got a little caddis monkey family. Cheetahs claim to be fastest land animal. They can get the mark of a jumper. So not built for speed like a cheetah. Just took a bath in the little pond there. So they were making a racket yesterday.
The whistling ducks even whistle.
Blue band. That's how we keep track of individuals.
Fly to the sky, fly to the sky. The flamingos are having a quack party.